Hey beautiful souls, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm sharing something truly special, a wearable piece of sacred geometry that's not just stylish, but spiritually powerful. If you've ever felt drawn to ancient symbols, energy alignment, or just want to wear something that sparks conversation and intention, you're going to love this. This is the Sri Yantra t-shirt, and it's more than just a design. It's a statement, a vibration, a tool for transformation. What is the Sri Yantra? The Sri Yantra is one of the most revered symbols in sacred geometry. It's been used for thousands of years in Hindu and Tantric traditions as a map of the cosmos and the self. It's made up of 9 interlocking triangles that radiate out from the center, representing the union of the divine masculine and feminine, the balance of energies, and the path to spiritual awakening. When you wear the Sri Yantra, you're literally carrying a symbol of harmony, abundance, and cosmic connection. It's like wearing a mantra, silently powerful, deeply intentional. Why this t-shirt? This isn't just any t-shirt. We've designed it with care and consciousness. The fabric is soft, breathable, and ethically sourced. The print is high quality and durable, so the sacred geometry stays sharp and vibrant wash after wash. Whether you're heading to a yoga class, meditating at home, or just grabbing coffee, this shirt turns heads and opens hearts. It's a subtle way to share your vibe with the world. If you're ready to align your energy and elevate your wardrobe, grab your Sri Yantra t-shirt today. It's available now. Just click the link in the description below. And hey, it makes a beautiful gift for anyone on a spiritual journey. Let's spread the energy. Thanks for tuning in, and thank you for being part of this conscious community. If you vibe with sacred symbols, intentional living, and spiritual style, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs a little cosmic inspiration. Until next time, stay aligned, stay radiant, and wear your energy.
Oke,